can always see the sun, day or night. Things are much harder in the afterworld. This life, you're on your own. And if the elevator tries to break you down, go crazy, put your head on.
All right, thank you. Welcome, friends, neighbors, the great people of Minneapolis, and welcome to all the people from out of town. We've got a lot of people, out of towners, California, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, special guests from New York and Ohio. Welcome, all of you. Today, we unite as pencil enthusiasts. The people from the land of 10,000 lakes are here to celebrate the pencil of 10,000 dreams. Amy, this is big. What do you think about this crowd?
It is crazy. It's so exciting to see you all. I could pee my pants. It's so great to see you all. Thanks for coming out. We are going to have a ton of fun today.
And this party is the crowd. It's all of you. Why do we love Minneapolis? I think we can all agree. We punch way above our weight in the arts and music scene. Way above our weight. Another reason, Minneapolis is one big park with a few houses sprinkled in between. Woo! And the seasons. We love the seasons and we embrace the winters. And finally, people come out for silly events like this. Woo! We love Minneapolis. We love our city. All right, so let's get this program started. We talked to the guests as they arrived. You guys have been filtering in. The first one set up tents about 10 o'clock this morning. We asked people, so why are you coming today? We got some great answers. You all have a reason, but here are a couple. We jotted down. So we asked, why did you come today?
I am a teacher and I use pencils every day.
Good answer. Another said, a true story. I'm thinking about getting a pencil tattoo, and I wanted to experience this first. Woo! Tattoos for everyone.
Another one. I am a doubter and I want to see what all the fuss is about.
A lot of people answered they wanted to meet Curtis, the sculptor. Curtis! Woo!
One person said, I wanted to try to get a t-shirt or a pencil.
That'll happen for some of you. Another said, my 30-year-old daughter lives in Pennsylvania and wanted to come and see it. Again, thank you for opening the lane. Please let the cars through. And also, kids, hey, guess what? The next big skit is on the front lawn. So if you could open up the front lawn, that would be great. We need the grass.
the time I'm